Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, it's your girl Khanyiiiii. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new here, please do hit the subscribe button to join the crew. So guys, it's been a minute. Ciao, it's been a minute. I am so sorry. Oh my goodness, like bruh. So where have I been? Where have you been? Where have I been, guys? Okay, honestly speaking, I've been busy with school. Also, I was kind of like struggling with content. I don't know how to put it, but I didn't know what to give you guys because I feel like I've been giving you guys like the same content. Why? So it was like I don't know if I like that, and I don't know if my people like that, because you see it by the number of views that you get. So with my views, obviously views fluctuate, guys, honestly speaking, but it's been really bad. Like, I don't know, I'm not doing good, it seems, you know. So I was kind of like struggling, you know, and I didn't know what to give you guys, but I'm back and I'm not going anywhere, and I promise to be consistent. Today we're going to do my hair. As you guys can see, I basically dyed my hair. Those that know me know that I do my own hair. I dye it myself. So I'm gonna go play it, and then I'm gonna meet up with my friend. She's gonna accompany me to the salon. She's the one that actually plugged me with the hairstylist. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. And then yeah, and then we'll see what else we're gonna do, honestly. But I don't really have anything planned for you guys. It's not gonna be, I don't know, actually I don't know what to even title this vlog, but this is basically a few days in my life, and yeah, I'm just gonna give you guys what I can give you guys, and I'm gonna go home. So I'm gonna take you guys with me when I go home, but I also have tests in between. So yeah, with that as well, I might vlog, I might not vlog, it depends, I don't know. But yeah, also need to go get a few, like, I wouldn't call it grocery shopping, but so yeah. But please do stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'm actually running late. Oh, son, I'm delayed. But yeah. Let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing dizzy stars in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the dollar in my shorty bag. No, she wasn't around when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Hey y'all, so basically today is Monday. Last time I spoke to you guys, oh, I kind of don't like my lips, I'm gonna fix that. Last time I spoke to you guys was on a Saturday. So today is actually the day whereby I'm actually gonna write my paper. I didn't have time to basically vlog yesterday because I was too busy studying. However, I will try to vlog today, and so sorry if the sound is horrible, because as you guys can see, I'm outside. I needed to find like a proper lighting, you know, I needed to find like proper lighting. So yeah guys, let us go to school and go write that paper. Am I ready? We'll just see. Your girl is smart. Guys, I also ruined my shirt. I don't know how my lip liner got here, but like, I don't know if you guys can see that. Even on my you know, that's fine. Let's go to school, guys. Bye.
Everything we had was less so young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. So come and I do.
So guys, quick update. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I just finished writing my business paper, and I'm not gonna lie, like I actually wrote well. Like I actually wrote well, because when I tell you, everything that I studied was on that paper. Everything that I studied, guys, and I'm not even exaggerating when I say this, but I mean it, like everything that I studied was on that paper. So right now I'm basically studying for economics, because I'm writing on Wednesday, and then on Thursday I'm going home. So yeah, I know if I go home right now I'm just gonna sleep, because I didn't sleep, guys. I'm lalala at all. So yeah, I just want to do, like, I don't know, I just want to, let's call it catching up. Yeah, let's just say we're catching up today. So yeah, man, guys, I found like the most perfect spot. I've always wanted to sit here, but I always find people, you know. So today I'm actually by myself. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's that view. Like there's literally a proper view, like on the side, in front. Like guys, it's just beautiful here. Problem is that it's kind of like a discussion room, so it's a bit loud compared to what I'm used to. So guys, I am finally done studying, and right now I just wanna go to Campus Square to get a few things for the road, basically snacks that I'm gonna need for the road. So yeah, guys. Guys, I just finished shopping and now I'm literally headed home. So yeah, the first thing I want to do when I get home is eat, and then I'm basically gonna sleep, because as you guys can see, my eyes are really, like, they look bad. So yeah, please do please do stay tuned. So guys, I am finally home, and I'm so tired, guys, and my lips are so dry because for some reasons today I decided to put my lip gloss in my bag. Who does that? So I'm just lazy to reach out for it, and please don't mind me heavy breathing. It's because of the stairs coming up here. But I'm done vlogging for today. I will not vlog tomorrow. I'll see you guys on Wednesday when I go write my paper. That is if I will even vlog, because I honestly don't really have anything to vlog for Wednesday, because I was supposed to go to Pick and Pay on Wednesday, but I decided to just go today because I felt like I had time. And then whereas with like Wednesday, I'm writing late from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. So I don't think I'll have enough time to go to Pick and Pay. And then another thing, remember Thursday we're gonna go home, so yeah, I might pack my bag today. So I'm not even sure if I'm gonna vlog that or not, but if I don't, I guess this is goodbye for now. I'll see you guys on Thursday. I hope you liked the video, and I hope that you are subscribed by now, because this is like, it's basically towards the end, yeah, the end of the vlog. So please guys, subscribe and share the video to your friends and do all that good stuff, guys. Also stay tuned, man, we're not done yet, so yeah, man, I'll see you guys on Thursday. Bye guys.
Give me one break, I need faith, faith to believe you, faith to receive you. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing, you are my everything.
Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, guys, so it is basically, oh guys, my head is itchy. Am I the only one like that use when I use the native child oil? I don't know, my scalp just gets itchy, you know. And my chat is, I just bought it and it was expensive, so I'm not gonna stop until it's finished. Okay, period. I'm not stopping, unfortunately, like until iphela. That's the only time I'm gonna stop. I hope you guys can see me. Okay, perfect. So today we're gonna go to school and we're gonna go to the library. It's very early, guys. I think right now is I think it's like boma 8:30 to 9. I'm writing at 6 p.m. by the way, so I'm very much early. I'm going to school and I want to go study until I'm like confident, you know, because like I said, economics is my subject, guys. So if I do not nail this paper, angazi. And guys, I actually have a young story time for you guys. Like, I got scammed on Monday, guys. Like, when I tell you, being at Tembi, my heart was so sore, guys. Like, I literally called my mom crying, telling her everything over to your mama. Like, they literally just took all my money. Like, all my money is gone. Literally just left me with 12 rands. So, like, my heart was sore, guys. Like, my heart was sore. So when I called my mom and my dad, obviously they made me feel so much better, because they're like, my child, do not worry, we are your parents, we got you, these things happen, you know, we will replace your money and stuff. And tell me why I was actually expecting them to literally shout at me, you know, give me a lecture and stuff like that. They did not even do that. But yeah, and I was just thinking, Uguti, guys, I am so blessed, because if it was someone else out there, like, it would have been chai for that person. Like, not everyone is as privileged as I am, you know. If maybe I wasn't as privileged, I literally would have been broke for the whole of September, because it's still the 9th, no, the 10th today. But they stole my money on the 8th of September, so it's still like the beginning of the month. And yeah, I don't know why I keep playing with this thing, but guys, there we go. This lip gloss is from Pep, and when I tell you, it lasted me for like 2 months, guys. 2 months. Right now we're going for the 3rd month, and there's still something, by the way. It's important, you know what? There's still something. So I'm literally plugging you guys. If you guys want a lip gloss that lasts, hi, abo lip therapy and all those things don't last. Like futhi lamalana, it's like they do it on purpose because they see that sales are up. I used to be a lip therapy girly for so long, until I realized that, you know what, this is daylight robbery. Worst part is that the prices are going up, but Nyashotisa, like, it does not make sense. So Perp is the girl that she really thinks she is, period. If you guys want, it's just 30 rands. So yeah, if you guys want a lip gloss that will actually last you, and by the way, I put this once and it stays on. You guys will see when I apply it again. I'll let you know. I'll give you guys the time. But I'm basically ready for school. So yeah, guys, basically I was just saying that, like, you know what, I'm actually very grateful for my parents. Thank God, like, I thank God for those people. Like, oh my goodness, guys, when I tell you, my mom even checks up on me every now and then to see if, like, I'm doing okay, you know, like if I'm feeling better. Guys, like, my parents, oh my gosh, yo, hey man. Guys, another thing I wanted to say is that, guys, please watch my videos till the end, because guys, we need to grow. Like, we can't stay in one place. Like, for like, guys, I started my YouTube channel when I was in grade 9. I'm literally done with school. This is my first year, and I don't know, like, the growth is very much, it's slow, man. You know, I'm not growing the way I want to grow. I'm not growing the way I thought I would grow. And one thing I've realized about YouTube is that it's very hard for you to actually grow. And like our TikTok, because TikTok obviously works in my algorithms and all of that. But with YouTube, you literally start from scratch. People do not know you. People are not even interested in knowing you most of the times, you know. So it's like, please guys, like, please just engage with me. Do not be shy to comment. I literally respond to all my comments. So please, like, comment, like the video, watch till the end, share, and do all of that good stuff, guys. Let us grow together. Like, guys, like, I literally can't wait to come here and be like, yo, we are finally monetized. And thanking you guys. Like, I feel like I'd even do something. I'd even wanna celebrate or do something. I don't know, but please guys, let us, you know, work with me. Please work with me. Your girl is really trying, and I'm not gonna give up on YouTube, because I honestly love YouTube. I love YouTube. Like, I don't know, I love being in front of a camera. So it's not just about YouTube, it's just content creation as a whole. I love it all, guys. So I'm really just trying to grow as a small content creator, as a new content creator. Well, I'm not new, but it's like I'm still trying to grow. So small content creator works. So please. But anyways, right now, let us go to school. You guys know I do not vlog as much when I'm going to school, because this is Joburg. I will call safe. So yeah, my little girl, have a safe. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. It's only me, only you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Show me a actually just got a compliment from someone. And it's like, dude, I do not know what you see, because you know when you feel like you look tired, that's how I feel right now. And guess what? I'm tired. Like, I am tired. I'm actually thinking of sleeping right now. But I want to finish with everything. I want to sleep when I'm satisfied. I came here for a reason. And home is too far for me to be like, I'm just going to go home right now and sleep. It's too far. I'm thinking of texting one of my friends and telling them that I'm pulling up to that place because I'm tired. Guys, never again. Like, I'm not doing this ever again in my life. Doing this ever again in my life. Doing this ever again in my life. Oh my goodness, the lighting is horrible. Let me hold it like this. I hope guys nothing I shine. Let me sit down. Chair. Oh, I bought nothing I shine. Singing gun. Okay. Hey guys. Ooh, guys, Nyasha. Okay. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry for the chaos, but yeah. Hey guys, so today is Thursday. Yeah guys, I'm going home. It's currently 7:30. I'm lying. It's 6:30 right now. So yeah, I'm headed home as in Limpopo. Okay, so yeah guys, right now I don't know if I want to make something to eat and get an appetite bagithi because sesikhathini bandla. Crazy thing is that I literally started my period yesterday, so it's hell guys, and I don't even know how I'm gonna travel feeling the way that I'm feeling right now. Hopefully I can squeeze this in my bag because my bag is already full right now, so yeah man. But anyways, yeah, I'm done, I'm ready. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. It's very cute, shame I won't lie, it's very cute. But I just wanted to just give you guys a young update before I leave. But yeah, I'm not gonna do much with my face. I didn't do my lip combo because guys, like, why am I speaking Zulu? Like, okay, so it's anyways, you know. Same with, okay, I did my edges, but I didn't do too much because get fun and I one thing about me, I will sleep because I get road sick. So whenever I get road sick, I just sleep because it's the only way guys. It's literally the only way. But yeah, and I'm scared because I'm on my period and I pray that I don't get that diarrhea. You guys know that diarrhea when you're on your period. Yeah, I really pray that God, like, like, yeah, but like I really hope that I don't get any of that, or like crazy cramps right now I can't even get up or can't even eat, you know, because I'm on the bus. Like, no one will be there to look after me, you get what I mean? So having feast ubuti, like I wish I could just book a flight and just fly. Oh man. But anyways, yeah man, guys, hey man, guys, I need a camera. Like, I know I spoke about this before, but I actually need a camera because one thing about my dad, kesana ngimthanda ukufa, but one thing about my dad, guys, my dad will buy you anything but a phone. So I don't see myself upgrading my phone anytime soon. Mind you, this is an iPhone SE2, guys. Babanga nyalo, we literally go iPhone 17a and I'm still using the iPhone SE2 Air. Woo, my voice, sorry about that. I'm still using the iPhone SE2 2020. So you can imagine, guys, like my dad will get you anything but a phone. Mas papa log to itili sis. Papa log, guys, says 10 log. You know, and it's like, oh, papa, I'm phone gone and telephone, just a phone. You get what I mean? So yeah, that's one thing I've noticed about my dad, but I love him down. I think it's a good way of parenting in a way, but at the same time I hate it because now it's literally outdated, bandla. Like my phone is so outdated. Saying Uguti, I have an iPhone right now, but with a button, guys. This iPhone has a button. That is not an iPhone, Sana. That is literally an Android, like Sigule one, if I'm being honest. So yeah, man, like guys, in camera, oh my goodness, I really need a camera. Like if I could get a camera, I would. Like, yo guys, I need one. Also, another thing that I'm not looking forward to regarding the whole trip is the fact that I don't have earphones, I don't have headsets. Guys, I don't know how I'm gonna survive without any of those. But yes, but honestly, like I really need those, guys. I need those. And because I got scammed, I told myself I was gonna buy, but because I got scammed, I can't really buy them because now even my parents do not trust my bank. They said they just sending me a cash send, so I feel like it would be kind of ridiculous, I don't know, to ask my mom for money to get earphones. Like, I don't know. But anyways, guys, Miss Allen, guys, how are you guys? Bye. So I'm wearing this top. Got it from my sister's wardrobe, and the jacket is from my boyfriend's wardrobe. And then pants, you guys know these pants, she's Puma. So yeah, this is what your girl has got on, period. Like, I don't know, it's just a comfortable outfit for the road. It's perfect, period. Like, you know.
Let the smoke clear. Mira. Top the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds proving 60 stars in both ears.
Hi guys, so I'm basically in the bus right now, and the reason why my phone is literally so up close is because you guys might not be able to hear me. So I just wanted to give you an update and let you guys know that the bus has basically departed and I'm on my way home. You know, I'm headed to Limpopo. It's gonna be a very long drive, I won't lie. Like, it's really gonna be long, and I know these buses are very slow. Like, these drivers take their time. So, but yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update, and I'm very comfortable, guys. This bus is so comfortable. I thought Intercape was the best, but Greyhound is eating as well. I won't lie, like, it's eating. And then yeah, that's basically it.
It's hard to carry after dark. Y'all to blame for what we could have been, cause look at what we are. Your friends are scared to tell you you went too far. Funny that it's always been all about you from the start. I met someone new last night and we kicked it, and I'm going back there tonight. You know what's on my mind this time. Going back there tonight, and you know what's on my mind. So
Kwanzaa ngekari. Eh? Hoe gaan dit? Yes, it's dope. Ooh, it's dope. Okay. Jumela. You? Are you fine? Oh my gosh, I forgot about you. Hey, Maro strong mus. Yeah, Nilan. I can see. Yeah. Valake, sesia valake. Yo, ouais. Arrête. Vous l'appelle. Le kaina chu maralay bona maralay bona.
Ja, bona mam. Gusto ganda food.
The aim is to chill. Kusana mo plastiki. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is nice. This is nice.
Now listen, daughter.
Guys, I'm done with my makeup. I'm just gonna put on lip gloss. Yeah. But anyways, bye.
Yeah, vlog up there. Hi. Jetor, please open the sunroof. Okay. Jetor, please open the sunroof.
Pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar, they will haunt you. King will heal you before him, adore him. He will give you everything. Come and take your everything, going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. used to know. God, please hold